Hello friends, in this video tutorial let us see how to create a detailed tabular report in SSRS without using the report wizard, that is creating the report from scratch. So for this let us go to SSDT. Now in this case, instead of taking add new report option, we will go to add and we will select new item option. Now over here, if you select the first option, then it will again start the report wizard. But we don't want to create the report now using report wizard, but we want to create the report from scratch. So let us select the second option, that is report option. Now let us name this report as report project detailed report, tabular report. Okay, so now we can see that a blank report has been added to our project solution. Now on the left hand side we can see report data. Over here we can see multiple report fields. Okay, so I have created a shared data set. Okay, let me first of all again delete it and let me show how to create it. So you can create a shared data set. Okay, if you want to use the query in multiple reports, then you can create a shared data set. So let me create a new data set, a shared data set. Let me name it as dset underscore total sale. This is the name of the table, right? Let me select all records from total sale table using this shared data set. Okay, so now a shared data set has been created. Now in our project we need to add that shared data set reference. So let us add the shared data set reference. So now we can see all the fields of the shared data set in our this particular report. Okay, so now if you go to toolbox, then you can go and add a table to a report. Okay, now in order to create a report from scratch, there is a tabular report, we will add a table. If you want to create a matrix report, then we will add a matrix. So in this case we have added a table. Now we need to go to report data and add our fields, whatever fields that we require. So let us add first name, let us add last name, let us add region. Okay, let us add country, right? Let us add product name, let us add item sold. Okay, I think this much is enough, right? So we can see that we have added multiple columns to our table. So if you go and preview, it will show a very primitive type of report. Okay, so let us add some formatting to a report. First of all, let us go and add a text box to our report to have the title, report title. Let us call this as sales report. Now let us go and make changes to the font. Let us select the background color. Let us select the foreground color. Similarly, for the header row, let us make it bold. Let us give it a background color. Let us give it a foreground color. And now let us preview a report. So now it looks like a report. So we can see we have generated our first tabular report from the scratch using the report project. The report is sales report. So I hope friends this video tutorial is useful to you. Thank you.